Can you believe that this behemoth shot down a MiG? Well, it did. Located at the intersection of Northgate and Stadium Boulevards is a Boeing B-52 Stratofortress, tail number 50083. On December 24, 1972, the bomber known as Diamond Lil became one of two B-52Ds credited with a confirmed MiG kill in the Vietnam conflict. During the bombing mission out of Utapao Royal Thai Naval Airfield in southern Thailand, the bomber's tail gunner, Airman First Class Albert Moore, shot down a MiG-21 northeast of Hanoi during Linebacker 2 action. It was the last confirmed kill by a tail gunner in wartime using machine guns. In October 1983, the aircraft, donated by the Strategic Air Command, was flown to Peterson Air Force Base by Captain James Rowland, class of '78. His classmate, Captain James Stahl, was a radar navigator on that final flight. In December 1983, with the wings and tail removed to allow the plane to travel on roads and under bridges, it was taxied to the Academy. The static display was dedicated by General Benny L. Davis, Commander-in-Chief of the Strategic Air Command, on September 7, 1984. Incidentally, there are two other aircraft at the Academy with kills. One of them, an A-10, is located a couple of miles down Stadium Boulevard.